Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, the Kusinera At Its Finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto na naman po kasama ako. So tara na! Let's start cooking! For today's video, tayo po ay magluluto ng chicken biryani. This is not the authentic version mga kakusina, pero we will showcase our own take on the recipe. First off, we will marinate our chicken thigh fillets with lemon juice and Greek yogurt. These two ingredients will help tenderize our chicken meat. Imimix lang po natin ng maigi ang ating chicken with the yogurt and lemon juice, and we will set it aside and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, maximum to 1 hour. In a separate pot, we will heat up canola oil and then magigisa lang po tayo ng puting sibuyas. So I have used 3 large pieces of white onions. Igigisa po natin ito ng maigi until we see the onions turning a little bit brown. And then we will add our minced ginger, about a tablespoon, and minced garlic. Pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng garlic paste pero okay na po ang minced garlic, and that's also about a tablespoon. And then we will just cook our aromatics until fragrant. And then once all of the aromatics have infused their flavor into the oil, we will add our marinated chicken. Now to this, we will add garam masala and Indian red chili powder. Depende po sa inyo kung gaano katapang ang gusto ninyong flavor mga kakusina. Usually, it's biryani mix that they use. But meron naman po akong mga ganitong ingredients. So why not make use of it kesa naman bumili pa tayo ng separate. Nawala din po akong fresh tomatoes, so again, I will use what I have. I'll be using a tablespoon of tomato paste. This will add to the bright orangey flavor of our chicken biryani. Then of course, we will season it with salt according to your taste. Now we will add water to this to help cook our chicken evenly and para po makagawa rin po tayo ng gravy or sauce. Gravy po ang tawag ng mga Indiano sa sauce mga kakusina. We will add additional spices like black peppercorns and about 2 to 3 pieces of bay leaves or dahon ng laurel. So we will cook this until tender na po yung ating chicken mga kakusina. This would take about 10 to 15 minutes. Depende po kung gaano kalalaki yung cut ninyo ng chicken. Now let's prepare our basmati rice. So I have a pot filled with water and we will infuse flavor sa ating tubig using the following herbs and spices. We have cinnamon bark, bay leaves, black peppercorns, star anise, salt, and fennel seeds. Ihalo lang po natin yung lahat sa ating kaserola na may tubig at papakuluan po natin ito. Once the water is boiling, we will add our basmati rice. Now, I have washed the rice several times and I've also soaked this for at least 30 minutes before cooking it or boiling it in our flavor-infused water mga kakusina. We will cook the rice for about 5 to 6 minutes only mga kakusina. Hindi po natin ito lulutuin all the way through since may remaining cooking time pa ito once we start layering our chicken biryani. Ang gagawin lang po natin, i-drain lang po natin itong excess water na nakikita natin ngayon. Since ready na po lahat, let's start assembling our chicken biryani. We will add sauce to the bottom of the pot, top it with basmati rice. Add chicken pieces over the rice. Of course, more gravy. The more gravy, the better dahil ito po ang magpapasarap sa ating basmati rice. We will also add lemon slices to cut richness sa ating chicken biryani. And of course, for freshness, we will add fresh cilantro or coriander. Uulit-ulitin lang po natin itong process na ito mga kakusina until ma-use up natin lahat ng ating ingredients. Now, kapag natapos na po tayong mag-layer mga kakusina, at the lowest possible heat, lulutuin pa rin natin ito for about 10 minutes. Remember, 70% pa lang po ang pagkakaluto ng ating basmati rice. Kumbaga, isasaing pa natin ito in the lowest possible heat hanggang sa mag-marinate and mag-infuse na po lahat ng flavors na nilayer natin dito sa ating pot. So, there you have it mga kakusina. Isa na namang kusinera recipe ang na-share natin for today's video dito sa aking cooking channel, the Kusinera At Its Finest. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na para naabangan mo ang mga susunod ko pang videos and recipe vlogs. I want to say thank you as well to all who supported this channel. See you again on the next video recipe mga kakusina. Bye now!